Greetings to the world, yeah, this is okay, Rasmus and talking. I'm back again with another reaction as usual. Okay, so we out here in Africa, South Africa, Western Cape, Cape Town, but I'm gonna, yeah, this is okay, Rasmus and talking. Please, let's take 3 seconds to like this visual, but I'm gonna. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, so I don't know how to subscribe, but please comment and subscribe, but I'm gonna. Yo! I'm back, man. This guy is doing the most. This dude is doing the most, man. This dude is doing the most. There's like out it's in our name. Bro, like no baby now you because what he's doing is doing the most. Like out in our name. Or the Beshangoni Linda Bakal Uska Tiprimashangon. I'm talking about the guy. Out in our in as a punchline. No, why this go out. Kana kutukunyana kusekene mara zuneko hwala bana mkana ndi muhwalo muhulwane kamanda. I'm talking about the guy anabor una zi punchline zinetsi hard sadic. Punchlines are zi hard sadic, yeah, chifanisha wendi sadic. That's why I did call it punchlines are zi hard sadic. So without any waste of time, this track is known as a freestyle to Dex, yeah, not Dext. Dex. When you talk about Dex, when I'm gonna come out in our name, it one of the USA. Mara music wawe worth ustreamesi wanga manda pano jangwani la Africa. Namsarana ngaya ka YouTube channel ya was zvino ni the one runa dzimwe visuals dzinodziita achiko appreciate kana uri wa support in our name. Music wa uko streamesi wa pano jangwani la Africa. So it's a freestyle to Dex in our tonga, sort of like a prayer, because we all know what when we talk about Rootkid Venḓa, the bars after bars, punchlines after punchlines. So without any waste of time, let's get into it. Rootkid Venḓa. Bonnie, when I look at this guy, I see a person who's gonna take Venḓa to the world. Actually, do we really have to go to the world? No, the world should come to us and see. Or for real, Venḓa people got talent, bro. So without any waste of time, let's get into it. A freestyle to Dex. The music video, if you go to description, need the one na link. Yeah, you don't need music video, I want the one take. Bro, I'm talking too much, man.
I'm getting started.
Okay.
I wanna put that on my name, but I won't talk about it. I'm making boss moves, but I'm not a boss about it.
Bro, I don't know to if you listen to the introduction, you can tell that he's about to spit fire. One or drug God. Okay?
Yeah. Tell him I'm getting started.
They wanna
put that on my name, but I won't talk about it. I'm making boss moves, but I'm not a boss about it.
I'm making boss moves, but I'm not boss about it. Like, bro, flip. Damn, man. Ndikosendera salivanda mara tiko bianda sumbeza character ya buvanda kazoenda kweta zone, okay?
I only do what I can, I'm going off about it. I can't be going harder like this, surprise to be wrong. I'm just praying that Dex is gonna hear this song.
RKVR is going hard like there is a prize to be won. I just pray Dex can hear this song. Do I really have to translate? No, man. Like, it's going hard. Like, una chipuga chino chako waniwa. Maratabra kura ndio ngave Dex achifa track. Damn, man.
But I'm not a boss about it.
Okay.
I only do what I can. I'm going off about it. I can't be going harder like this. Surprise to be wrong. I'm just praying that Dex is gonna hear this song.
Indeed, he ended up hearing it.
Like I am using a
On the beat, I'm smelling like I'm using Avon. Like he says something like that. Like we all know Avon. Okay, it's an what do we call this? Body lotion body lotion company. Yeah, in every you look at it, I mean. Okay.
Going off about it. I can't be going harder like this. Surprise to be wrong. I'm just praying that Dex is gonna hear this song.
Okay.
Because my on the beat like I am using Avon. Yeah, boy feeling lonely in the ghetto like I'm Akon.
hold up. Hey, boo. You guys are feeling lonely in the ghetto like Akon. Akon not trigger of ghetto. I don't have an electric of lonely. I am so lonely. So niggas are feeling lonely in the ghetto like an Akon. Akon. Like Africa's finest out in Senegal in Rio Chilesa, USA. Okay? So they're feeling lonely like an Akon in the ghetto.
I'm just praying that Dex is gonna hear this song. Because memory on the beat like I am using iPhone. Young boy feeling lonely in the ghetto like I'm Akon. You niggas I'm rapping like I'm rapping. You niggas ain't snapping like I'm snapping. You're gonna probably great even out of rapping. I gotta follow straight when I'm still rapping. Never niggas on snapping. I'm on the bag and niggas never that broke when I'm still rapping. Cause I feel like I'm getting paid for
Bro, cause I'm feeling like I'm getting paid just to tap an ass. Like look at the me. Look at badero usokoto bamza marawa and too much. Shit.
You rapper saying rapper, so I'm glad that I'm here. I wanted to be rich and I feel like I am there. The challenge is rare, they don't understand. They all looking scared.
Indeed.
I'm feeling the distance between me and my dream, and I never needed assistance. I got me on my team. Proceed and recode, that's ever seen. Never ask me what's up if you don't know my last name.
Don't ask me what's up if you don't know. Like, no, don't ask me what's up if you don't know my last scene. Like, what's up, right? It's what's up in your chat, Amara. The WhatsApp. So don't ask me what's up if you don't know my last scene.
Code, that's ever seen. Never ask me what's up if you don't know my last scene. I'm feeling like sunshine to the present, but you niggas are the past, like in the present. Weapons on my ID, I'm already a resident. I'm going to pass like.
No, just go and check this one short video. I'm gonna like in the Funagama the Chichi like I'm a resident. Like and plus is a new kid is out like Basas na acquisition misandi ezinoni a card, not another albums that were in So bro, like feeling like I'm a resident. Too much.
But you niggas are the best, like in the present. Weapons on my ID, I'm already a resident. I'm going too fast like 9/11. I'm never gonna say what's gonna happen. I'm not a blesser, but they know I'm actually blessing them. Stop the beat and listen to me when I speak. It's going down like I'm on my knees. I'm going to the top of the peak.
So
the beat is getting louder. I be sipping on my soda. Bas no tibe ya kanani zo divonga ndi my bounce. Ah shit. The top and as is pekatina too. Beating them from me song and them too. I'm reading gonna beat you no babundu. I say you're online in the nabundu. Makura, Dora Makura, pointing at a catch a baby mus in this kakura. I am the head of sick as it be one. I'm just hoping you hear this track.
Yo. Bitin go for family song around him too. Oh, holdingana on in the boon, the chariot mapura. Ntumbu mapura nzanzuna rakomama rage. Rude kid Venḓa. No, it's dangerous, this guy. Who kid you once said you can say that I'm rude but the kid is overrated? Were you really talking about the very same rude kid that we know? No, this guy is actually underrated, man. Damn.
We say you're online in the nabundu.
Pedi pointing yana catch pedi musindi chikakura. So okay.
So when you hear this track, I'm just a young Venḓa boy who just trying to chase this rap game. Yeah, I work hard and I don't relax. I'm not trying to kill you, I'm trying to kill you. Do you get that? I hope you do. I'm not trying to be like you, but if I gotta be honest, I really look up to you. Everything you do, I feel like I can relate. I know some niggas gonna say that boy is trying to hate, but I'm not.
Sure.
These niggas know that I'm hot. They getting mad cause I am everything that they not. Yeah, I'm actually going up to the top. I thank God cause music is everything that I got. Damn.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all KBR. Oh man.
For real, man.
Man, I just really feel like I had to do this, man, you know. Yo, Dex, if you said this, man, I'm just hoping you won't give me a verse or a feature someday, man.
Oh, sure,
you know,
boy.
Man, no hard feelings and shit. I'm just in love with a bit.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
It's that, baby, yeah.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Omtanga soka mtukwana stuko mkara. No man. Rugori wa mtawa sadiki wori fa mtanga nonga ono. Damn man. This dude is dope, man. Rude kid Venḓa, for real. He's rude. Like he's rude. This kid is rude to Venḓa. No man. Teacher na mapungo, man. Omtanga uwala ka top 5. Ya bathu munofundiswa nga manda nga Shaka ndi Maraba Shaka, ne? Yeah, Maraba Shaka. Like a Venḓa YouTuber. Like his channel is doing quite well as well. Nanga yaka YouTube channel ya ndodiro amba my favorite like artist ndorokidi Venḓa na makadzi nanyi mumwe kana wabraru. So it's dope, man. It's dope. Like zvietakaza ubona Venḓa richiko andana rava vatu vati no, this dude is going far. Actually, he's going afar, not far. No man, mutawasa dikiri koribuwa, man. Mutawasa dikiri koribuwa. This dude is dope, man. And actually, sort of like a prayer for real. Dreams come true, and prayer do comes true. Especially if you're saying something from the bottom of your heart, because no mufako underlining jinja pula decks. I wish in chinga fe track. Honor your decks. Jojino, opeza or reply. Chimbirani link ya music video ne. Apana na description. Nituwana kazi comment. Nido you wanna decks. So without any waste of time, this is okay Rosman Zine talking. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This dude is dope. He was born on the 10th of June, and I was born on the 20th of June. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So I'm Rutkud Venḓa of reactions. Peace out. I'm out here. Another thing, man. Another thing is that like Keenan Forbes, aka on the zipatishezo NSTC atozvo yamboreni the way NSTC yakoba one udojia like South African hip hop aisave to nendo kundelwa one. So please unazi old kroko nji bana wamkala unazi old kroko nji please karipe omfwe to the blessings ngoreni uvule yasuzwa uvule yasuzwa bewo bana wamkala. So please kodombela jealous kule mfwetu u de njaras.